Hi everyone, today we'll set up our Raspberry Pi Pico with Thonny. So this is Raspberry Pi Pico. You can see the name written on the chip. This one has header pins already soldered on it. And it has a micro USB port and the white button. This is the boot cell button. We'll need to use this while installing software on it. So the first thing that we need to do is install Thonny IDE. So the link for Thonny is in the description below. It's thonny.org. So you need to go to this website and download I have Windows here, so I'll download the version for Windows and you install Thonny through the wizard. Once you've installed it, you'll see it appear in your startup menu here, Thonny, and it's there.
So the next step is to install MicroPython on Raspberry Pi Pico. We'll do that from Raspberry Pi's official website. The link is in the description below. So let's go to the MicroPython's page on Raspberry Pi's website, and here under drag and drop MicroPython, you'll find the steps to be followed for installation. So the first step is to download the UF2 file. Now here we have three options for UF2 file. The Pico we are using is without Wi-Fi, so we need to download the very first UF2 file here. So click on the first option here and that'll download the UF2 file to your computer. Now go to your download folder and here you should see this file in your downloads. It's a .uf2 file.
Now the next thing is connect the USB cable to USB port of your computer. The other end of the micro USB goes into your Raspberry Pi Pico, but we need to hold down the boot cell button while doing that. So push and hold the boot cell button and plug your Pico into the USB port of your computer. And once you've plugged it in, you can release the boot cell button. So what this does is it mounts RP1, RP2 as a mass storage device. So you'll see a new directory here as RP1, RP2. Now all we need to do is drag and drop the MicroPython UF2 file from download folder into this new directory. So here let's drag our UF2 file to RP1, RP2 folder, and there it's installed. And there we have MicroPython installed on our Pico. And all we need to do now is go to Thonny again. Now in Thonny, go to Run tab. Under Run tab, we need to select MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico as the interpreter. So we have to make Raspberry Pi Pico MicroPython as the interpreter here. Click OK. Once you do that, you'll see it appear on the bottom right corner of your Thonny. So that means Raspberry Pi Pico, MicroPython on Raspberry Pi Pico is running, right? So that's it. That's all we need to do to set up our Pico with Thonny. Now you can try writing your first command on MicroPython. Let's print hello world, and don't forget the code there. Print hello world. And there you go. And I'll see you in the next class.